And this is our today's lesson. Minus 4 is equal to minus 5 plus 1. This is negative component with the help of small friend. Who is our small friend?
I did first time small friends negative components.
Yes. Small friend negative components. Today we are doing first time. So and the today's lesson is minus 4. So how to do minus 4? This is
I don't know.
minus 5 plus 1. How to solve these questions? Let me show you in Abacus. First question is 5 minus 4 1. So first number is 5. How to
I did
represent
with my
5?
fingers.
This is 5. Then minus 4. So how to do minus 4? This is our today's lesson. I will write here also. Minus 4 is equal to minus 5 plus 1. So minus 4 now we have to do. So to do this, first we will do minus 5. This is minus 5 and then plus 1. So minus 4 is completed. Then again 1. So yes, the answer is 2.